Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mahi the Avenger. Today I came with another interesting property video. 3 BHK west facing flat. The flat size is 1365 SFT. This is the location. You can see number of villas are here. Location of this flat is Miapur. This is the colony. This is the apartment. In third floor, we have flat, west facing flat. This is a 40 feet road. Friends, my request is please subscribe my channel if not subscribed till now. This is the main gate. This is a car parking area. It has all amenities like major amenities like power backup, lift. This is the car parking area. In this apartment we have only 8 flats. Each floor has 2 flats. 24/7 security also is there. And HMD approved project. Let's see the flat. West face. There is the living area. The dimensions are in this apartment we have 8 flats. What we are seeing is a west facing flat. Diamond flat size is 1365. You can see all the interiors are done. It's a ready to move flat. This is the dining area. And project approved by HMDA. There is a dining area. You can see the space for puja. There is the sink. There you can find some more cupboards here. There is the sink. There is the kitchen. The dimensions are, you can see, very nicely done interiors. There is the sink. Interiors completely done. It's just ready to move flat. You can see the mesh. Space for utility. Very spacious. You can see the view also. Just beside, number of villas are here. Very good community. Very close to Miapur metro station. Just 5 minutes drive from here. In utility area also you can find cupboards. The ventilation was great. Next, I am going to show you a master bedroom. Here you can see the sink here. Master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Cupboard works done. Spacious master bedroom. And this is attached washroom. It's a ready to move flat. Here you can find a common washroom. You have another two bedrooms are here. One is for guest bedroom and one is for children's bedroom. Now we are entering into the guest bedroom. So everywhere you can find interiors, cupboards, in this apartment we have 8 flats. Each floor has only 2 flats. Next we are entering into the kids bedroom. This is the kids bedroom. The dimensions of kids bedroom is sliding cupboards in every bedroom so that maximum space will be utilized. From here you can see the view of the colony. The construction was too good. From kids bedroom to we entered in dining area. From dining area to we are entering into sit out area, the balcony. You can see the SS grills so that more safety will be there. You can see the colony here. Number of villas are there. Very good society. This is the main road, which is the project connected with the main road. From here, the Mayapur metro station only 5 minutes drive. Very decent and peaceful area to reside with your family. and very close to IT zone, high-tech city. It's a ready to move flat. You can see number of constructions nearby area. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel if not subscribed till now. Please like the video, share with your friends if it may useful for your friends also. Thank you. Thanks again. Bye.